Hello again, and welcome to MQLrobot EAS, where we teach you everything about automated trading and provide signals for various instruments. Today, we will be discussing how to read a backtest report. We will be using real 99.9% tick data to discuss the quality of backtesting and how it can help you become a better trader. When it comes to trading, there are many different ways to analyze a market and make a profit. One of the most popular methods is to use a trading robot, or EA. An EA is a computer program that trades automatically according to a set of rules or a strategy. However, before you start trading with an EA, it's important to backtest it thoroughly. First section of the backtest report that you need to look at is the modeling quality. It should be 99.90%. This means that the test was run using every available price tick, with realistic spreads, slippage, and market behavior. It is far more accurate than the default open prices only or control points modes. Without high modeling quality, your backtest can be completely misleading. Next, look at the basic info, such as the symbol, time frame, date range, and spread type. This information will give you a good idea of what the EA is trading and how it is performing. Then you can move on to the profitability metrics. These are the numbers that will tell you how much profit the EA has generated over the backtest period. Look at the net profit, profit factor, expected payoff, and other relevant metrics. These metrics will give you a good idea of how profitable the EA is and whether it is worth trading with. Now, let's talk about drawdown. Drawdown is the amount of money that you lose during a losing streak. A good EA should have a low drawdown, as it means that the EA is not taking on too much risk. Check the maximum drawdown, average drawdown, and other related metrics to get a good idea of the drawdown of the EA. Moving on to the trade stats. Here you will find metrics like total trades, win rate, average profit and loss trade, largest profit trade, and so on. These metrics will give you a detailed idea of how the EA is trading and its overall performance. Next, look at the balance and equity graph. This graph will show you how the equity curve of the EA looks like over the backtest period. A good EA should have a smooth and consistent equity curve with small drawdowns. Finally, look at the trade journal. The trade journal will show you all the trades that the EA has taken during the backtest period. This includes the entry price, exit price, profit and loss, stop loss and take profit levels, and more. By analyzing the trade journal, you will be able to see how the EA is trading and whether it is following your trading plan. It is very important to remember that backtesting does not guarantee future success, but it is the best way to evaluate a trading strategy before using it in a live account. Therefore, it is important to backtest your EA thoroughly and make sure that it is profitable, has a low drawdown, and is consistent before using it in a live account. And when backtesting, always use 99.9% tick data, as it gives the most realistic results. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel MQLrobot ES and hit the like button. You can also click the bell icon to get notified when we release new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.